In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening an app called Recorder that's already on your Motorola and hitting while using or allow in all available pop-ups. Then to start recording, use this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To end it and save it, click on the square one on the right. Now name it at the top. And save it by hitting save on the right or delete it by hitting delete at the bottom left corner. Now to play your recording, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options, this pen at the top right corner and those three dots also at the top right corner. Or if you wish to, just hold it on the list and, for example, delete it thanks to this pin over here. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!